Hey there, everybody. Check out our site for the night. We're the only ones in this RV park. This is the Double D RV Park, just outside of Texola, Oklahoma. And I think there are, 15 spots or so, 18 spots, something like that. It is a Passport America RV park, self-pay park, $28 for 30 amp, $32 for 50 amp. Only water and electric at these sites. If you're Passport America, it's 50% off. So for us, we just needed a 30 amp site. So $14 for this. I mean, it's a fairly decent way off the highway. I-40 is back here. If you can see it, you might not be able to see it. Not very loud at all. Pretty quiet. We're surrounded by fields, green grass. Must have had a lot of rain here in Oklahoma. Because driving here, there's puddles of water everywhere. Now, Lucy was following me. I don't know if you can see her. She's back there somewhere. Yeah, there she is. She's kind of nosing around. See her back there? It's been a couple of days since they've been able to be out wandering, so it's kind of nice. Only ones in the park today, though, so far. I suspect there'll be some more people coming in this evening. So this is a self-pay park. Honor system. You just fill out the little envelope here, put your money in it, and drop it in the box. I think a few years ago, this was probably a functioning restaurant right here behind me. And it does say that there are bathrooms and a laundry. So I'll check that out real quick. I see a door that says laundry, but it appears to be locked. We'll see. Okay, so here's the sign when you come in, Double D RV Park, register here. Just take your envelope, fill it out, drop your money in the box. And I did call ahead and spoke to, I can't remember the gentleman's name, and he gave me all the information and assured me that there would most likely be a spot open, which in fact there is, as you can see. Totally empty, except for us. So I'm gonna check the laundry here. Oh, the laundry is open. And check this out. So there's at least one coin-operated washing machine and coin-operated laundry. Who'd have thunk it? So that's kind of cool. You know, it's this is pretty much a bare bones, little off the beaten path sort of place, which we like to stay at. We're gonna go around the front here, see what's what. Yeah, I would imagine this restaurant probably went under during COVID. It doesn't look too run down. So let's take a look here. Well, it's clearly not open. So, anywho, yeah, I would imagine this probably met its demise during COVID. But there's a house down the way here. I don't know who lives there. Maybe that's the owner, maybe not. But anyway, neat little place, nice and quiet. I have a road out here. Got a few cars on it, not terrible. I know all this twisting and turning has probably got a few people upset, but you know, it is what it is, as they say. So that's just a short and sweet little update on where we're at. We left Mexico, I guess, probably 2 weeks ago now. We're just doing a bunch of one-night stays. We did stay in Phoenix for about a week to get a few things taken care of and to visit our kids there, our youngest son, our grandson and daughter-in-law. And we're making a bunch of one-night stops to see my family in Indiana. And then we're meeting some friends to do a bunch of traveling up into Michigan, Upper Peninsula, over into Ontario, Canada, and then making our way back to Mexico again, probably the 1st of September or so, to be back in Mexico mid-September. So that's an update. See you later.